Just making it. Okay, cool. Now I'm recording. So today is going to be math review for, this will help you both with the MAPE and with your final. So, some of you are doing fantastic. Others are struggling. Some of you that are struggling, I've been working with. Just a reminder, there is a, let me see. You can do a math lab workshop. That will be with Professor Foster and/or Professor O'Neill. And you can attend those. They are on campus. So those of you who are struggling, who may be meeting with me online is not being very successful for you, you can meet in groups of less than 10 or even individually. So they do want completed worksheets or practice exams. I would recommend sending like your homeworks, or also any other practice problems that you've worked out, just to help kind of guide the instructor. If you do reach out and schedule, let me know who you are scheduled with, and I'll be happy to let them know areas that I've noticed that you're struggling with. So that being said, I'm actually, some of you have noticed that there is an in-class activity for today. So I'm going to upload the document for that. Somewhere. Well, there it is. So I'm going to take, oh, it's coming, guys. There it is. So I'm going to take a poll. We could do this. There's 15 questions on it. We could do this one by one all together. Or I can give you guys some time to work on it together or work on it individually, and we can meet back and go over. It's kind of up to whatever you guys feel most comfortable with. Okay, 2, 3 for individual, 4, 5. There's 28 of you, so I need to be getting more answers. Okay, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I don't care. Together. Adriana's agreed. Individually. So 13, 14. Yes, Natalie, that's fine. Okay, so individually. In that case, you decided, just kidding. All right, so I think we've got a majority. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. It's a little over 50%. All right. So since we have a majority rule, individually, so go ahead and download that, what I just uploaded, guys, and start working on that. I'm going to give you guys an hour to work on it. 15 questions, the MAPE 16 questions. So I figured I'd give you all an hour or less if you need it, but we'll take an hour. So stay logged in, please, on Teams, and I will be here if you need anything, and then meet back here, well, maybe a little less than an hour so we have time to go over. So let's meet back here at 2:30. So you got 50 minutes. And your time starts now.
Hey guys, just so everyone knows, if you just pull up the Word document right out of the messages, we can all see what you're typing. You have to export it to your own computer.
Thank you, Tim.
Professor Trainer.
Yep.
Number 8.
Number 8.
Yeah, number 8. SDR 200 milligrams BID to start may be increased by 200 milligrams divided per 200 milligrams per day in divided doses. So that would be 400 milligrams, correct?
Let me. 2 grams a day. 2 milligrams may be increased. Okay.
Because wouldn't that be 400 from the beginning and then you're adding another 200? So would that be 600?
So what you want to compare is the current ordered dose with the 200 milligram twice a day.
Okay. So just X-nay the second part of that SDR?
I certainly would.
Thank you.
Welcome. Oh, what's this, Tim? Aw, look at you. In your own mind. That's awesome. You are important. Yeah, I've been telling him that, Sade. He says he's going to wait till he graduates nursing school. Absolutely, Tim. You should 100% be proud of this. And may I ask your permission, Tim, to share this for the Carrington College blog? Just wait, Jessica. Thank you, Tim. Can I have it shared with our Facebook page also?
Professor, I'm sorry, I missed that. Are we supposed to be sending this in to you or just going over it?
No, we'll all go over it together.
Okay, got it.
Oops. Only Tim could pull stuff like that off, right, Veronica? Yeah, Tim's hair is a little bit darker. Well, yeah, no beard, but Ouch, Veronica. Ugh. Well, puberty might help. You know, he has a little baby face there. Tim, can you even grow facial hair? Oh, now there's a way to look at it. Oh, is anyone else getting rain? I hear it. All right, guys, I'm going to take a quick potty break. I will be right back. Yeah, it's sprinkulating here, Veronica, as we like to call it. All right, guys. So let's go ahead and take a look at the math. So change the improper fraction 25/4 to a mixed fraction. Who wants to tell me what they got? If not, I'll just start calling on people randomly.
6 1/4.
6 1/4. Does anyone think that is, there's something different? Nope. Oh, there we go.
I have
Everybody's
5
answering. And Tim, how did you get to that one?
Well, 4 goes into 25 6 times, and it leaves 1/4 left over.
Good. Perfect. All right. How many micrograms are in 2 grams of sugar? First of all, what's the conversion factor for 1 gram to 1 milligram?
1,000.
1 million.
Jesus is speeding up the process. He's just going from gram to microgram. So yeah, gram to milligram is 1 gram is 1,000 milligrams. And then the same thing for milligram to microgram.
1,000.
Yep. Which is 1 million, as Jesus pointed out. So quick math. So the answer is
2 million micrograms.
2 million micrograms. Thanks. Yes. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you. Thank you. How many milliliters are in 3 tablespoons? Jessica Love, how many milliliters in 1 teaspoon?
In 1 teaspoon?
Yep.
Is it 5? Hold on, sorry.
Yes, there's 5
Yeah.
milliliters in a teaspoon. So how many teaspoons in a tablespoon?
3.
3. So how many milliliters in 3 tablespoons?
15.
Milliliters in 3 tablespoons?
Oh, sorry, it's 45.
Okay. Is that what you got?
That's what I got, yes.
Okay. So, anyone confused on how everybody got to the answer of 45? Honestly, guys, speak up now, because if anyone's like, I'm not sure how they got there, we will work out these problems. Because I know some of you kind of struggle with this.
Can you work on it, please?
I certainly will.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so the question is, how many milliliters in 3 tablespoons. Okay. So we know we need to know milliliters. So we know 5 milliliters equals 1 teaspoon. But we need tablespoons. So we know 3 teaspoons equals 1 tablespoon. So now I need to get to milliliters. So I'm going to start with where I know my milliliters is. So 5 milliliters over 1 teaspoon. But I need to get to tablespoons. So we'll do 3 teaspoons over a tablespoon. And we know we have 3 tablespoons. So we get our teaspoons crossing out and our tablespoons crossing out. So then we end up with 5 times 3 times 3 mLs equals, you do 15 times 3 equals 45 mLs. If anyone needs to take a screenshot of this, feel free. I might give you a couple minutes. Oh, it's not screen sharing. That is so weird. Oh, whoops. Oh, here we go. Thanks for letting me know, guys. That works better. So since I know I need milliliters, I always start with the conversion factor that gives me milliliters. Now you can take a screenshot.
We lost power over here in Rita again. I think she lives pretty close to me, so our professor trainer, so my power just went off and then came back on really quickly. So
Hi, everyone. Can you see me now?
Hi there, I see you. I lost power too. So now I'm on my phone.
Okay. That was fun. So my power briefly went out, and that caused my router and everything to reset.
That's what
Okay.
happened to me Friday when I was my S-bar, my concept map thingy for sim. It's
Yeah.
kind of sucks.
Okay, so yeah, I know. I'm like, who can I text to let them know, to let you guys know what happened? Oof. All right, Davina, how many grams are in a kilogram? Apparently, we lost more than just me. Shanae, how many grams in a kilogram? Never mind, you already answered it. Look at there. Yes, there are 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram. So remember, a milligram is less than a gram. The kilogram is 1,000 more. Okay. Sean, how many pounds are in 1 kilogram? Oh, he might be. 2.2. Yes, thank you guys. All right, number 6. The order is for cimetidine 0.8 grams at bedtime daily for an adult with a gastric ulcer. You have your label there. Each tablet is 400 milligrams. What would be the appropriate complete nurse interpretation? Basically, what it's asking is how many tabs would you give them? Okay, so we have an order of 0.8 grams, and our concentration is 400 milligrams per tab. The question is, how many tabs? Yes, you're correct. It is 2 tablets. So, to find that out, we do 1 tab over 400 milligrams times, oh wait, I have grams and milligrams, so I need to convert. So we're going to do 1,000 milligrams over 1 gram times 0.8 grams over 1. So milligrams, milligrams, grams and grams. So then you have 1,000 times 0.8 divided by 400. 1, 2, 3. 800 divided by 400 equals 2. Some of you might be going, well, that was easy, Professor Trainer. Okay. Not everybody has as easy a time. So rather than singling anyone out, I want to make sure you all get it. So question number 7, you have an order for erythromycin 0.5 grams twice a day. What is the generic name of this medication? Christina, what's the generic name?
Well, isn't it erythromycin?
You are correct. It is erythromycin. What is the total daily dose in both grams and milligrams? Correct. So for anyone who's confused, it's 0.5 grams twice a day. BID is twice a day. So that makes it 1 gram. And so then the gram per milligram, we know there are 1,000 milligrams in 1 gram. So what is the unit dose concentration? It is 250 milligrams per capsule. And how many capsules will you give per dose?
Hello.
Hi, Dean Arias. Welcome back.
Thank you. Hi, everybody.
It is so good to hear your voice.
Hi, welcome back.
Welcome back. Congratulations.
Thank you.
So
I'm sorry.
happy you're here.
Thank you. I'm sorry to interrupt. I just wanted to check in and let you guys know that I am back from maternity leave. And if you have any questions, please feel free to email me. I'm working with Professor Foster just to get updated on everything that's been going on since I've been out. But I hope everyone's doing well. And yay, we have 3 weeks left of the term. Finals coming up. I know you guys will do great. Is there any questions that I can try and answer right now? If not, that's fine. You guys can send me an email if something comes up.
You guys can unmute if you have a question. That's fine.
And I see Professor Trainer's doing math review with you guys. I know some of you still have your MAPE exam to take. So she's doing these review sessions to help you guys. And then I know Professor Foster and Professor O'Neill have some workshops. I believe they have one this Thursday, and then they have a couple next week, I believe Tuesday and Wednesday. So if any of you guys want to attend those workshops as well, I believe there's an announcement that was posted, or I can ask Professor Foster to repost. And I know Professor Trainer's working with you guys as well. So just know we have a lot of resources here to help you guys.
Yeah, I did remind them today that, if, that I've been working with quite a few of them and some are still struggling. So if they felt that one of those workshops or some one-on-one would be better, to reach out to Professor Foster or Professor O'Neill.
Perfect.
And then next week, they don't know it yet, but I planned a practice MAPE in the MAPE shell.
Sounds good. All right. Well, if you guys don't have any questions, I just wanted to pop in and say hi. Okay. All right, Natalie, no problem. So I'll let you guys continue class. Thank you, and I'll check in with you guys next week.
Thank you, Dean Arias.
Bye. Thank you, Professor Trainer.
All right, guys. So the boss is back. Just kidding. So, well, not kidding, but kidding. So, just so you all know, she is back from her maternity leave. Today's her first day back. So, really excited to have her back. Anyways, so let's kind of continue on with some of this. Because we've got like 9 minutes left of class, and I want to be sure to work through any of this. If anyone has any questions. So, question number 8. The order is for carbamazepine 0.2 grams twice a day for a client with initial treatment for seizures. So, Natalie, there's your answer to the question. It's initial treatment. So, the safe dose range is 200 milligrams twice a day to start. Is this safe?
No.
No, yes, no. So we've got 0.2 grams BID, and we know that 200 milligrams BID is the dose, is the safe dose. So this is safe. Sorry, guys. I'm like trying to work this, and it's just like.
I was gonna say I determined that it was safe.
So let's work it out because we've got a
Okay.
couple there. We got a little bit of mixed. So we need to compare either grams and milligrams. We need to do a conversion, and we can do it kind of pretty much any way we want. So if we wanted to start with 0.2 grams times, sorry, that's horrible. We know 1 gram is equal to 1,000 milligrams. Because 1, 2, 3. See, right here, 1, 2, 3. Or you can do, oops. Correct, Tim. That is wrong. It's 200 milligrams per dose twice a day. So those who said it was safe, it is safe. Now, this comes in 100 milligram tablets. How many tablets do you think you're going to give?
2.
2. So guys, this is one thing I noticed on the exam today and previous MAPEs a little bit. Some of you really need to use estimation because you're getting wonky numbers, and I really want you to think about it. So if you get an answer like 0.05 milliliters an hour, double check yourself because it's probably not right. So that's why estimating is important. So you can kind of give yourself a ballpark and know, okay, if my answer isn't around that range, then maybe I need to recheck it. So yes, you will give 2 tablets. So, whoops, Wiki. If anyone's wondering how we got to that, we've got 1 tablet is 100 milligrams. And we got 1,000 milligrams is 1 gram times 0.2 grams over 1. So our grams go, our milligrams go. You end up with 1,000 times 2, which we already know what from previous is 200 divided by 100. So you get 2 tabs. And the evaluation is the equation is balanced, and our estimate of 2 tablets. So safe dose range compared with the order. The safe dose range is 200 milligrams BID to start. The order is 0.2 grams BID. All right, which of the following is a major criteria for syringe selection? Yes, so when you're doing the safe dose comparison, the safe dose range you were given is 200 milligrams twice a day to start, and your order is 0.2 grams twice a day, or 200 milligrams. Yes, when we're looking at syringes, guys, yes, Mercedes, that is all you write. When you look at syringe selection, guys, you want to look absolutely at the volume of medication. How much medication am I going to give? If I'm going to give 4 milliliters, am I going to grab a 3 milliliter syringe? No, because that would require me to give 2 shots instead of 1. So that's definitely going to be it. So now, which of the following criteria are the main criteria for needle size? Again, you guys are correct. It is A. It is the viscosity, so the thickness of the medication, the route, is it IM, is it sub-Q, the size of the client. If you have someone who's really skinny and you're giving a sub-Q injection, you might want to use an even smaller needle. Or if you have someone who's big and they have an IM injection, you might want to use a bigger needle. And also the skin condition of the client. All right, number 11, amoxicillin in an oral suspension. You've ordered 0.6 grams every 12 hours. This is a combination drug. Is clavulanate potassium a medication? It is not. It is a stabilizer. So the only thing we're really worried about is the amoxicillin. Okay? So 0.6 grams. And you're giving an oral suspension, so we know we're going to need milliliters. What do you guys think what is your estimate for the amount of milliliters?
Estimate, I put 10.
10. Jessica, I see you put 10 to 15. Other Jessica, more than 10? More than 10? See, Mercedes has a hard time with doing the estimates, so she always goes right to the math. Kevin's going to the math. Christina
I
put
said 11.
11.5. Yeah?
I'm sorry.
No, you're fine. So calculated dose with equation to the nearest tenth of a milliliter. Okay, so we need to know how many milliliters per dose. What is our unit dose concentration?
5 milliliters per 250 milligrams.
Yes. Your unit dose concentration will not always be per milliliter. You guys are probably used to seeing 1 milliliter. This one's in 5. Okay. But we also know that our dose is 0.6 grams. So we need to do a conversion. Plus we need to get rid of those milligrams. Okay. So then our milligrams and our grams cancel out. So we end up with 5 times 1,000 times 0.6 over 250. Good, Jessica. Thank you. Yes, exactly. So, what did the answer come to?
12 milliliters.
12. And so our evaluation is that, and it says here right to the nearest tenth. So if it had been 12.125, we just would have put 12.1. The evaluation is that the equation is balanced and your estimate supports the answer. So it has to be within, I'd say within 5. So if you thought your estimated dose was like 25 milliliters, probably your estimate didn't support your answer. And that could be okay. But hopefully you're getting to the point where you can estimate pretty accurately. All right. What isotonic solution can be used for IVs? There are 3. It is A, guys. Yes. D5W, lactated ringers, and 0.9% normal saline are your isotonic ones, meaning they have equal particles in it. If, however, it was, say, 0.45% normal saline, is that hyper, hypo, or isotonic?
Hyper.
No. 0.45 normal saline is half 0.9. So it's less. So it would be hypo. All right. 13. What insulin schedule requires a bedtime snack? Good, guys. It is C. Intermediate long acting in any evenings. Why?
Because you're sleeping.
Cute, Adriana. That isn't it, but here, Adriana, we laugh at that and we say it's funny and you're just kidding. However, that's a very good deduction. When you're looking at the answers, well, wait, all these ask for lunch, and I don't think that's going to require a bedtime snack. So I'm going to go with the one that doesn't say lunch. See, very good. All right, 14. What is the preferred test for monitoring heparin therapy?
APTT.
Yes. It is the activated partial thromboplastin time.
I forgot to write that one down.
boy, here we go. Last question. I know we're running a little over, guys, and I appreciate your patience. If anyone needs to go, feel free. It's okay. I'm still recording. But if you want to stay, you can certainly, we'll get this last one done and then you guys will be good to go. So we have buprenorphine hydrochloride 0.16 milligrams IM. The safe dose range is 0.004 milligram per kilogram. And our patient weighs 88 pounds. So what is the safe dose range for this child? Okay, so whoopsies. We know things. What do we know? We know that the order is 0.16 milligrams. We know the SDR is 0.004 milligrams per kilogram. And we know that the patient is 88 pounds. Keep getting hair on my screen and it's bothering me. So first I need to get the kilograms. So I'm going to do kilograms. 1 kilogram is 2.2 pounds times 88 pounds. Helps if I put 88 over 1. So now we know our patient weighs 40 kilograms. But I need to know what the SDR for this particular patient is. So it's 0.4 milligrams for every kilogram. So SDR equals 0.004 milligram per kilogram times 40 kilograms over 1. Which is 0.16. So for this patient weighing 88 pounds in this safe dose range, the safe dose is 0.16 milligrams. Every 4 to 6 hours is what it says.
So 0.16 per dose.
Yes. Because it does say 0.004 milligrams per kilogram every 4 to 6 hours. So, is this safe?
Yes.
Because this is a one-time dose. Yes, it is safe. So next, if it's safe, will you give more or less than the unit dose on hand? The unit dose is 0.3 milligrams in 1 milliliter.
You give less.
Yes, you're going to give less. So hopefully everybody's got a screenshot of this that needs it. I'll give you another second. Now I'm going to start erasing. So we need to know how many mLs. And we know our dose is 0.16 milligrams. So we know in 1 milliliter, you have 0.3 milligrams times 0.16 milligrams per, you could say dose if you want, or 1. 0.53. So 0.53, it actually comes out to 0.53333333333. How do I know what to round this to? But how do I know, Adriana? Yes, Belle, good. To the hundredths if it's less than 1. So less than 1 equals hundredths. Greater than 1 equals tenths. Sorry, my alligator was bad there. There we go. All right. So that is our practice math for today. As I told to Professor Arias, we do have some practice MAPEs in the MAPE shells. So what I've planned for you guys is that we will be going over. I'll be having all of you, and I know not all of you. I know not all of you need to retake the MAPE. Some of you will have already done it, but you still take it anyways. It doesn't hurt you to keep practicing. So some of you will, you'll all take it just to get your practice. Okay. And then once we've done that, we'll kind of do some more. You've got your SME next week. And we can do some more review, and I'll probably have another review session. We'll do more review like Thursday afternoon. And your final study guide will be coming out.
Was there a study guide for the SME?
There is not a study guide for the SME.
You said we're going to be doing a review, right?
For the MAPE, and we'll also do one for finals, yes.
And for the SME one, are we not doing one for that?
There is no review. It's on Kaplan. There's nothing to do as a review.
Oh, okay, got it.
So hopefully everybody has been doing your Kaplans. Like I said, you can do the math ones. I have it scheduled. So when you go, yes, 1 SME per class. Yes, Courtney, thank you for bringing that up. Everybody submit your worksheet for grading. So I expect that there should be, if you've corrected everything, it should be great. So when you go into Kaplan, instead of going to the focused review test, you will go into the integrated test.
I'm sorry, which worksheet were you talking about
The one
submitting?
you just did.
Oh, okay, do we just email it to you or?
No, you submit it through Canvas.
Oh, okay, got it.
It all goes through Canvas, guys. If it's an assignment that's graded or even not graded, it goes through Canvas.
Should I resubmit my papers into the Canvas then?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Yes, so everybody, please upload your worksheet we just did into Canvas.
Did
It
you?
doesn't look like there's a submit button.
Right.
I will fix that.
Thank you.
Oops. Oh, I know why. Fixed it. Any other questions?
It's not really late, even though it says it is.
No, I'll fix it.
Of course. Okay, thank you.
Mm-hmm.
So I did have a question about the SME.
Okay.
Is it going to be based off of the ones that we did?
I can't tell you. I don't know. Kaplan does their own. So it's all it's whatever they have. That's why I highly recommend doing the Kaplans. I don't know how it works when it comes to that.
Because I did the 10, but I don't know if I should like go and try and do some more or something.
You can if you want to. I mean, honestly, guys, I can't tell you what the best way to study for it is. Thank you, Courtney. If I would look at doing for Pharm, I would look at dosage and calculations. If it was for fundamentals, I would look at like the fundamentals in med surge.
All right.
So,
Professor Trainer.
yes.
Hey, it's Jolene.
Yep.
If we printed off the paper and worked it out with pencil, do you want me to edit it on the computer and then upload it like that? Or should I just take pictures of my paperwork and send it to you?
You could just put upload pictures like some of you guys have been doing with your math homework. That's fine.
Okay, and then I missed it. Did you want that through Canvas or through your email?
Yes. Has to go through Canvas. It's a graded assignment. Even not graded assignments kind of have to go through Canvas. So that way we can track everything. And I will fix it, guys, so it won't be considered late.
All right, thank you.
Bye, Professor Trainer.
Yes.
Bye. Have a good one.
Bye.
Thursday.
Yep.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, guys, have a great evening.